Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Infamous and Enigmatic. We are here today in the Tripyramid range on, I believe, the middle Tripyramid peak, just south of the actually we're in the mountains of New Hampshire. I believe that's Waterville Valley all the way over there, which is where we parked, so we have to walk all the way back there now, which sucks, but whatever. Oh god. Don't want to fall down that. So yeah, I gotta figure out where I put my backpack. Oh shit. Well, that's good. Ah, cool. There's another overlook over here. Kind of. Hey, how's it going? Good. Just shooting some videos.
Oh, it's nice out here.
Yeah.
Anyway.
No. Oop. Suck if I fell down there. I think that's Mount Shaw over there.
No.
Mount Shaw. Climbed it with a friend of mine last year. And I think that's Mount Shakora all the way over there, maybe. Alright, well, we will see you guys later.